Hi sir, today I want to talk about India's most biggest problem. I think the most biggest problem to India is corruption. Because of that corruption, so much of backwardness are occur to our financial situations, which causes less GDP and less income tax returns from the banks and politicians and businessmen. They are not because of that black money. Our financial situation is decreasing day by day, and poverty, social literacy rate also not decreasing. We should bring some social awareness against the corruption. Because in India we can do anything by the corruption. No, it shouldn't be like that. We have to government should do work without any corruption. We also supporting the corruption. People also supporting this corruption mentality in the businessman and government officers too. Almost all the government officers, I'm saying about almost all, not all the government officers. Officers are corrupting the system. They are corrupting, and they are also corrupting the system also. Because of that burden increasing on the middle class and lower middle class of the society only. Like they are increasing the goods prices, and daily goods like dal, pulses, grains, like that, their cost is increasing day by day. Businessmen are not maintaining the up to date their records. They hiding some they are hiding their benefits, and to avoid the increasing of income tax returns. Because of that decreasing the income tax returns, they can get more money. Like that they are increasing the black money into their homes. If we saw that some business person in Bangalore, they met by then income tax officers. They he did give throw the money into the pipelines. We saw that in the news. We shouldn't do that, because if you give proper income tax returns, it helps the people in the society.